Hello, welcome back. So in this tutorial we are going to discuss about how we can able to get grade according to the percentage. So how we will get this. So in this we are going to use if. For example, if the percentage is 90, so then what we have to give the grade? If 75, 65. So there are so many things. And I'm not able to get the future in advance. I don't know which students are able to secure 90% or 85 or 55, so it's not be possible for me. So whatever the percentage here in the percentage cell address, the grade automatically adjusted. So how it possible? It will be possible with the help of if formula. So how we have to use if formula? So look at here. If the student, if the percentage cell of first particular student is greater than or equal to 90, if it secure 90 or above 90, it will get A grade. If it secure 89 to 75, it will get B. If 65 is 74 to 65, then C. If 64 to 55, then D. 54 to 40, so it will get E grade. Less than 40, it will display F for fail. So how we are able to write this code? So look at the things, look at the syntax. It is most important how we are able to use this formula. So it will be lengthy, so I will drag it myself bigger than what it is appear. So right now I use if for if formula, but use if inside if. That's why we call this as nested if inside if you are belong to programming background. If you are not little bit programming, then you are very familiar to this particular word. So I use if, then I start bracket, that semicircular bracket. Then I have to set the logical condition. So what is the logical condition? If my cell address, which cell address? J3, contain value greater than equal to 90, then comma act as a separator. It will separate our logical condition to our message, or one if to another if. So we will see in later. So if, then I want to display what message? If J3 cell address contain 90% value or more than 90, it will display A. So I close double quotes here. So double quotes always contain your message. It should be position, it can be anything, whatever you want to display. So it should be a message. So I want to display A grade. So I use separator here. If I use second if, then bracket start here. Again the same cell. I don't know what percentage he will get. Maybe after evaluation, his percentage will increase or decrease. I don't know. So it automatically adjusted, and I wanted it will. I always write it whenever the evaluation happen, because in journal examination thousands and hundreds of people are here, so it's very difficult to write code for everyone. So here is J3, then I use here greater than equal to 75. So below 90, it will go to the second condition. The second condition says below 90 to 75, you have to display comma separator B. So it will second the same as till the fail. If J3 contain value greater than equal to 65 and less than 75, you have to display grade C. If this cell address J3 contain value greater than equal to 55 or less than 64, it will display what? It will display D. Again comma separator. If J3 cell address contain value greater than equal to 45, then it display grade E. So I close my message here. So what about sorry, I wrote it 45 here. I want to write it here. Write it here 40. So 4040. So what happen if my value not lies in this? Maybe it's not lies. Maybe the people, the student get 39 percentage. So then what will happen? So if the condition is not lie in all these 90, 75, 65, 55, 40, so you can write it else condition. So else is just comma, then double quotes. I use F here. It means if your condition not satisfied all these, if the students not able to secure 90 or between 89 to 75 or 64 to 55 or 40, 54 to 40, so it automatically display last message. So what is our last message is F. So how many if we used here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have to use 5 brackets here, closing brackets here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and last 5 and press enter here. So we get P grade. So again copy that formula. It automatically adjusts your formula. Here USL address J3. Here F2, press F2, it will activate your formula in particular cell. So here J4, F2, J5, J6, J something. So it automatically fetch the value according to a particular cell with particular row. So this is our formula. Let us check that formula. I change the number here. I use 40 here. 40. Why not I drag it here from like that? So it got 40%. So it will show E grade. What will happen in get 39? So I wrote it here 39. I will drag it here. I copy the value in the consecutive cell like row wise. So it show displayed F. So our formula work well. So I want to that you will notice this. Here our cell is J3. So it detect or analyzes the value of this cell. If we goes down, so it detect this and it this, so it automatically drag it or it will increment your cell addresses from J3 to J4, J5, J6. Whenever you drag it down, it will increment your cell addresses. So it is very fantastic feature in Excel, and it will help and save our lots of time. So I hope you are able to understand this video, understand this tutorial, and able to understand nested if inside if, in which we use comma for separator. And if you want to display message or anything or grade, you have to use double quotes. Inside double quotes, you whatever you write, it will exactly shows as. So thanks to watch this video. Thanks.